Funding cuts and cancellations of federal programs by the U.S. Department of Agriculture are having a major impact on food pantries here in Maine. News Center Maine's Brianna Bush has more on what these cuts mean for local food banks and the strain it's putting on food availability and other resources.
Traditionally, food pantries did not have our fresh produce.
Making the Wabanaki Mobile Food Pantry, which travels to 5 tribal communities in Maine every month to provide fresh fruit and vegetables, crucial.
That then allows for the people accessing those services to have access to abundance, to healing.
However, Wabanaki Public Health and Wellness couldn't provide those services in April due to the cancellation of the USDA's Local Food Purchase Assistance Program.
And that program allowed for local foods to be purchased from farms and that assistance to be able to be then provided to pantries.
That program helped the nonprofit deliver fresh produce for the past 4 years. Leaders with the St. Anne's Penobscot Food Pantry are also facing challenges to provide food for the community amid funding cuts.
We have a vulnerable population of elders that need to have nutritious food.
Penobscot Nation Director of Social Services Michael Augustine says due to the funding cuts with the Federal Emergency Food Assistance Program, the food they receive from Good Shepherd Food Bank has decreased by 65%.
Our resources that we're able to give to families are going down, and we are searching elsewhere to make up for that loss.
So they can continue serving the community.
That's what we're hoping to do now, is do all we can to make sure that we're delivering fresh produce to our communities.
Leaders with the Wabanaki Mobile Food Pantry are planning to resume providing meal kits and fresh food to tribal communities at the end of this month. In Bangor, Brianna Bush, News Center, Maine.
We also want to remind you our feed-maine Teleathon is coming up in less than a week. It's on Thursday, May 8th. But you don't have to wait to help your neighbors who are struggling. You can make a donation right now. Your generosity will help the Good Shepherd Food Bank and the many local organizations they support all around the state. Just text the word FEED to 207-828-6622 and we'll send you a link to donate.